Hello everybody, let's study about some Excel functions. So the first one is odd. This function will return the number rounded up to nearest odd integer. So let's see that how this function will work in Excel. Here we are with Excel sheet. Now I'm going to use this odd function. So equal to odd, and suppose if I write down 12 and when I press enter, the output is 13. So this is returning the next odd integer. But suppose if I write equal to odd and inside the parenthesis if I write odd number itself, then output will be the number itself. So when I press enter, here you can see that the output is 13 itself. So this is your odd function. Next function is int. So this function, this will return, or this will round a number to the nearest integer. Let's see that how this function works in Excel. So I'm going to use this int function. So if I write down equal to int and then in the bracket, suppose the argument is 12.6, then output will be 12 itself. This will round, this is not rounding, but this will find the nearest integer. And as we do in mathematics, that this will round up to the next integer, but here output will be different. Here when I press enter, you will see that this will be, the answer will be 12 itself. This is not rounding to next integer, but the number itself, the whole part of that number will be printed. So once again I'm using this function equal to int, suppose 14.8. Here output will be 14 itself. So here you can see that the output is 14 itself. The next function is product. So product, this will multiply the values in a range of cell and that will be given as output. So let's see that how this function works. Here I'm going to enter some numbers and then we will find the product of those numbers. So let it be 10, 5 and 6. Now I'm going to use the product functions. So equal to product, and then I provide the cell reference. So cell reference is here F4 to F6. So here I write down F4 colon F6, and when I press enter, you can see that this is the output. This is 10 into 5 into 6. So this is 300. So this function will return, or this will calculate the product of the values which are there in the given cells. So this is your product function. The next Excel function is round. This function, this works same as we do in maths. So let's see that how this function works in Excel. Here I'm going to use the round function equal to round, and suppose inside the bracket I provide a decimal number equals to 5638, and I want to round it to up to 2 digits as we do in maths. So let's see what will be the output. Here you can see that after 6, this is 3, so our output should be 12.56. So here you can see that the output is 12.56. This is same as you do in maths. So one more example we will see. Equal to round 13.5687 comma 2. Here we are using 687, so this is more than 5. Here our output will be 13.69. So when I press enter, here you can see that the output is 13.69. So this works the same as we do in mathematics. So this is your round function. Next function is exponential. So this will return the exponential value. Let's see that how this works. So here we are going to use this exponential function. So this is e raised to the number which we provide in the bracket. So equal to exp. Here we just provide the number. So what is e raised to 4? That will be the output. So here you can see when I press enter, this is your output 54.59. So this is your exponential function. Our next function is square root. So this will find out the square root of the given number. So let's see how this will work. Here I'm going to use this sqrt function. So equal to sqrt. Suppose I want to find out the square root of 64. So when I press enter, you will see that square root of 64 is 8. So this is one more number I'm going to use. Suppose equal to sqrt square root of 100, and when you press enter, you will get output as 10. So this is your sqrt function. Next function is power. So let's see that how this function will work. This will return the this will give the number raised to the some power. So what will be, how this will work? Let's see how in Excel. So here I'm going to use equal to power 4 comma 2. So this will return 4 to the power of 2. So this is going to return 16. So this is the number and this is the power. The next number will be the power, and when you press enter, you will see this is 16. One more example we will see. Equal to power 10 comma 3. So here 10 is the number and 3 is the power. So 10 raised to 3, what is the output? Here you can see that is 1000. So this is how this power function works. The next function which you have to study, that is mod. So this will return the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. So let's see that how this function will work. So here equal to mod 14 comma 3. So this function will return, if you divide 14 by 3, what will be the remainder? So that will be returned. So here when you press enter, here you can see 2, because 14 divided by 3, the remainder will be 2. One more example we will see. Equal to mod 25 comma 2. So what will be the remainder if you divide 25 by 2? And when you press enter, here we will see that the remainder is 1. So these are the functions in some of the functions in Excel.